Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to do the Retro Game 350 giveaway. But sadly we are not going to do a package from China monthly giveaway because I decided to just stop it. There are a couple of reasons and I just want to tell my Wicked family why this is. Right, I think the most important reason I need to quit this is simply because I have no way of sending the packages anymore. And I'm thinking, but how is this? It's very simple. I was using AliExpress and GearBest, both sides have this option that you just basically can buy something, I can send it to somebody else, or in other words, drop shipping. But on some weird reason, there is no way I can do this. And this is a problem. And it's a problem I'm already facing for a very long time, and I try to find some ways to still keep going on with this giveaway, but sadly, I need to stop this, and this is my main reason, to be honest. And a second one, but it's not the main reason I quit this. Mentally, this is always an extra pressure for me. Every month I am creating a lot of videos every month. For the people new to the channel, I'm creating one video each day. So basically I'm trying to upload as much as possible videos, and sometimes do even more than one video. And it's a lot of work, and I love doing this. YouTube, it's great, everything is great, you, my Wicked family, are great. And this giveaway was more like saying a little thank you for watching and just picking out people random from the comment section. But basically, I can't send any more packages, so this means I can't do the giveaway anymore. But in the future, I will try to do giveaways. Don't be afraid that I'm totally stopped doing this. I love giveaway. I love giving away stuff to you, my Wicked family. So I'm going to search in the future some different ways to send products. Or I'm just doing this, for example, a milestone giveaway or a very big, huge giveaway, and I just need to send the products myself. And I can tell you, if you live in the USA, for example, this is going to be expensive. So again, another reason I only can do this not every single month. So that brings us to the part that you all have been waiting for, the Retro Game 350 giveaway. So I'm just picking out a random person from the list. A lot of people did enter this giveaway by saying handheld love, did watch the full video and noticed the last part when I pronounced this small giveaway. I think it was just fun to do, and maybe in the future I'm going to do this more often. But again, I need to send them from my own country, and this is super expensive. Alright, so the two people I'm going to choose for the Retro Game 350, the following thing. The first person is the actual winner, and the second person is more like a reserve if the first person doesn't reply on the video. Alright, so for the first one, I choose the Master Gamer. It was a guy with, I'm guessing the Jim Carrey or something like, yeah, it was Jim Carrey. Alright, so congratulations, you are the winner for the Retro Game 350. And for the reserve, and keep in mind if the first one just gives me an email, this means you don't win anything. So the second one will be El Spicy. So this concludes the giveaways. So again, coming back to the package for China monthly giveaway, it breaks my heart to do this because I had so much fun, and exactly 1 year that I was doing this. In the future, I will reintroduce some other giveaways, so don't be afraid, giveaways will still come to the channel, but in different ways. And of course, I need to send the products myself. For example, the retro game I just gave away, I'm going to send them by myself. So, and to be honest, if you send a package from China, it costs basically nothing, and sending it from my position, location where I live, this costs quite some money. So, alright, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell, because every day a new Wicked video. And see you in the next video.